Africa Content TV.
Okay, on behalf of Metronews, I would like to present this award to this wonderful man as the winner of the Award of Excellence, Special Recognition Award as a Crossover Artiste of the Decade. Oganla Alabi Pasuma Wonder, the great. On this day, October 10th, 2022.
Thank you. Wow, this is great. If I said I don't know what to say, that means, I really appreciate this. I would like to say a very big thank you to the organizers and the chairman, MD, and all the directors and the workers of Metronews for remembering me and celebrating me and believing me that I'm the only one or among the one that they can give the award to. So I really appreciate this. Thank God, thank my fans. Without you, no one to call Pasuma. I appreciate you guys. Metronews, thank you so very much. God bless. Thanks.